everyone, I am Vidya. Welcome back to my channel Vidya Ka Gyan. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video update. So now let's begin with the video. Today's video is about hill stations of Maharashtra. Amboli. Amboli is a popular hill station located in the extreme southern tip of Maharashtra. Amboli is a place at the edge of Western Ghat in the Sahyadri Hills and is adorned with opulent flora and fauna. Like every hill station in India, Amboli also renders the opportunity to spend time amidst peace and tranquility. Amboli is filled with scenery and natural beauty. This popular hill station possesses some attractive sights. In fact, Amboli is justified to be called as the Queen of Maharashtra. A popular and one of the main tourist attractions of Maharashtra, Amboli has many interesting sightseeing places such as Amboli Fall, Shirgavkar Point, Hiranyakeshi Temple, Mahadev Gad, Sunset Point, Nagrata Fall, among many other must-see places. If you are looking for a paradise-like destination to wander around lush environment, then a trip to Amboli is a must. This place is naturally blessed with calmness and soothing surrounding. Mahabaleshwar is a beautiful hill station situated in the Western Ghat range of Maharashtra. Is the evergreen forest that call out to those who love nature. This used to be capital of Bombay province during the British region. It is a beautiful plateau surrounded by hills and also the origin point of river Krishna. It is a perfect place for nature lovers, youngsters and budget travelers. This hill station has many tourist attractions like Mahabaleshwar Temple, Marpo Garden, Elephanta's Head Point, Panchganga Temple, Veena Lake, Krishnabai Temple, Pratapgarh Fort, Lingamala Waterfall, Bilar Waterfall, Helen Point, Karnak Point, Atibaleshwar Temple, Dhobi Waterfall, Moraji Castle, etc. The temples are serene, clean and set amidst natural surrounding. The Panchaganga temple is one of the most visited temple in Mahabaleshwar. Boating is the core attraction of Veena Lake and provide the tourist a calm and peaceful experience. Panchgani. Nestled pretty in Satara district, Panchgani can be well coined as one of the popular hill stations in Maharashtra. Endowed with the virgin beauty of nature, Panchgani is tucked away somewhere in the midst of five majestic hills of the resplendent Sahyadri and is a beautiful encircled by five dainty helmets, Kinga, Amral, Godwali and Taighat. The Krishna River within the precinct of Panchgani surely adds on to the gloriousness of the place. Most frequent for abundance of strawberries that grows with the gaiety here. Mapro Garden is endowed with some divine beauty beside the proud contributors of 80% strawberries to India. Witnessing the much hyped strawberry festival in Mapo Garden is one of the tourist activity that is worth the try. Known to offer the most striking view of mesmerizing Krishna River valley and surrounding hills followed by the rural life of adjoining hamlets, Parsi Point can be rightfully enlisted as the one of the must visit places enveloped in thick blanket of fog and disuniting. Matheran is a travel destination in Maharashtra holding the unique status of remaining free of automobiles. It is said to be the forest at the forehead of the Sahyadris in the Western Ghat and it is green and small. The forest department has declared it an eco-awareness zone and one can enjoy a quiet weekend here with plenty of sightseeing places to refresh you. Pretty Parsi bungalows, glorious sunset and sunrise point, old British buildings which make tourism in Matheran serene and meditative. The British lay the foundation of Matheran as a hill station, as a gateway from the intense summer heat of the low-lying areas. It is an average range of 30 degree to 16 degrees Celsius. The Matheran Hill Railway carries weavers through large tracts of forested land to enjoy the surrounding greenery. Tourism in Matheran is akin to forest bathing which means easy away urban stress to breathe amidst tree and enjoy the silent company of the forest canopy. You will delight in the nature walk. Lonavala, a popular hill station at an altitude of 2047 feet above sea level, Lonavala is a romantic escape for the chaotic noise of city life. Salberious climate, magnificent executeness, historical fort, ancient caves, and beautiful lakes make it most sought after destination in India. The executeness and charm of this place has always magnetized the attention of tourists, youth, and celebrities. It can be visited any time of the year. Monsoon is the perfect time with beautiful lakes, emerald executeness, and cascades. Lonavala is also notable all over India for Chiki. Enveloped by Sahyadri Hills, it is a perfect destination for trekking and mountaineering. Thanks for watching. Do like, do comment, and share with others. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram. Till then, bye friends. See you in the next video.